Hi. In this video I will talk about safety while using aerial lifts. Hi, and welcome to this learning video. In this video and other videos in my YouTube channel, you will find a variety of information regarding health, safety, and environment in the workplace. Summary of OSHA publications, checklists, toolbox tools, forms and much more. Enjoy learning. Aerial lifts. Protect yourself. Aerial lifts are vehicle-mounted boom-supported aerial platforms, such as cherry pickers or bucket trucks, used to access utility lines and other above-ground job sites. The major causes of fatalities are falls, electrocutions, and collapses or tip-overs. Employers must take measures to ensure the safe use of aerial lifts by their workers if they are required to use this equipment in the course of their employment. Safe work practices. Make sure that workers who operate aerial lifts are properly trained in the safe use of the equipment. Maintain and operate elevating work platforms according to the manufacturer's instructions. Never override hydraulic, mechanical, or electrical safety devices. Never move the equipment with workers in an elevated platform, unless this is permitted by the manufacturer. Do not allow workers to position themselves between overhead hazards, such as joists and beams, and the rails of the basket. Movement of the lift could crush the worker or workers. Maintain a minimum clearance of at least 10 feet, or 3 meters, away from the nearest energized overhead lines. Always treat power lines, wires and other conductors as energized, even if they are down, or appear to be insulated. Use a body harness, or a straining belt with a lanyard, attached to the boom or basket, to prevent the worker or workers from being ejected or pulled from the basket. Set the brakes and use wheel chocks when on an incline. Use outriggers, if provided. Do not exceed the load limits of the equipment. Allow for the combined weight of the worker, tools, and materials. Feel free to share this video on Facebook, Twitter, Google Groups, and WhatsApp. You can also share it with your professional network on LinkedIn. If you like this video, hit the like icon. To support us, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for updates. Thanks for watching.